Great rising, good afternoon, good night, and depending on where you are and when you're watching this. Today we're going to be making a raw vegan sushi, which you can find the recipe, the link below on thehavdelights.com. So first we're going to start out with one already peeled avocado, which I'm going to slice thinly right now. There's the ingredients, I put them over there for you. There's not really that many. You can do whatever you want and add your own variations anyway. So like I was saying, go ahead and slice three about 1/8 of an inch thick slices of avocado. The rest of them you can go ahead and slice up pretty thinly because you're going to see what we're going to do with those towards the end, so stay tuned. Right now it looks like I don't know where I want to put these avocado slices. Why was I moving them? Oh yeah, you're gonna need that top space at the top of your cutting board there, so don't put anything there unless you want to get it smashed later on. Alright, so I'm mashing up the avocado, the other half of the avocado. Gosh, you can tell I'm kind of new to this, huh? Oh yeah, I forgot to turn the light on. Ugh, duh. So yeah, we're gonna finish mashing the other half of the avocado. All you need is just a fork, nothing special. I was gonna be fancy and do it all in a mortar and pestle, but it was so heavy. I was like, forget it. Alright, this is the part where you add the seasonings. Can't make nothing without seasoning. That's just uncivilized. Go ahead and give it a stir. Oh yeah, the cauliflower. I forgot to put that in the beginning somewhere. Anyway, what you do is just go ahead and take all that avocado mash and mix it all up with the cauliflower like so. You kind of have to fold it in a little bit unless it just, because it's just going to kind of like stick in a ball. So definitely you'll need a spatula, a spoon or a fork or whatever else you might use. It's not going to work for this. Oh, this is the part where you take the cauliflower avocado mash and you lay it on the nori. Now it's important that you leave at least an inch worth of space at the top of the nori so that you'll see. You'll see. I probably should have put all of the avocado right in the middle of the nori. That way it would have been a little bit easier to spread instead of me kind of like trying to thin it out like I am right now. Oh, it's also important that I should have said this earlier, that when you place the nori on top of the little roly thing that it's sitting on top of, it's important that you have the rough side. Yeah, because there's a rough side and a smooth side. The rough side you want facing towards you, and the smooth side you want facing towards the bamboo rolly thing that I have with inside that Ziploc bag. Now you want to put it in the inside of a Ziploc bag because you don't want it to get all messed up and moldy and stuff. So yeah, get you a Ziploc bag, put that bad boy in there. Probably should have moved the screen up a little bit. I mean the cutting board. So here we're going to go ahead and start adding the ingredients to the bottom half of the nori. I did slide it up, but not enough, I guess. So yeah, you add. Now there's no special orders to which way you actually put the ingredients on. So you can do whatever you want. You can even add more ingredients if you want to. Maybe some radish. I don't know. It might taste funny. Whatever floats your boat. Oh, those cucumbers, I sliced those very thinly with this kind of slicing thingy that I got. You know, at Walmart where they put all those little as seen on TV things in the front of the aisle, you know, right there at the checkout, trying to get you to buy something. But yeah, I thought that was pretty useful. I think I'll put that in the link description below if anybody's interested. Yeah, my battery died. Trying to talk to me while I'm doing my video. Ignore. Oh, those are the onions that you don't see that I cut up on the side earlier. Yeah, I love onions, so this is a big part of the recipe, so sorry that I didn't cut them up and fit them into the screen. Please pay attention. This is the part where you get to roll everything. It's important that you get a tight roll here, so make sure that you kind of like do that. Give it a little squeeze there so everything sticks together. But not too hard where everything starts kind of like, ooh, look at my hair. Not too hard where everything starts to kind of like come out the ends. And then you go ahead and continuously roll it up. Roll it up. It's like a roll, squeeze, roll and squeeze, roll and squeeze, roll and squeeze. There you have it. A perfectly rolled raw vegan sushi. Now here's where you add the garnish on the top. See, I'm a little bit extra. I want it to be fancy, so this is the reason why I cut that extra avocado so we can lay it over the top. Now you guys can go ahead and add whatever raw vegan ingredients you'd like to add. Maybe some sesame seeds, flax seeds, chia seeds. There we have it. I didn't want to go ahead and cut more avocado because avocado does contain quite a bit of fat and don't really need that much fat in my diet, so yeah. Be careful when you're cutting, of course. Cut it as thick or as thin as you want to. I wouldn't cut it too thin. I'd say about an inch is probably good. Yeah. Yep, a sharp knife. You'll see why in a minute. I like that song. Oh my gosh, I'm so thankful for YouTube and those little jingles they put out for you. It's my jam right here too. Yeah, here's the part why you definitely need a sharp knife, because stuff like this starts to happen. Yeah. Yeah. Still edible though. There's my little victory jingle dance. Awesome. Alright, so if you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe, because there'll be a lot of these coming soon. Stay tuned, y'all. Growing is knowing, caring is sharing. Did I just say caring is sharing? Sharing is caring, y'all.